In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Hubspot Sales email extension. Before we start, make sure you're using the Google Chrome browser on your computer. The Hubspot Sales email extension lives in the Chrome Web Store, and installing it there ensures you get the official, up-to-date version. Close any extra tabs you don't need so the process is quick and smooth. First, head to google.com. In the search bar, type HubSpot Chrome extension and press Enter. This search will surface the official listing quickly. You're looking for the Chrome Web Store result that mentions HubSpot Sales. Avoid sponsored links or third-party download sites. The official listing will clearly show it's offered by HubSpot. Next, click the result that takes you to the Chrome Web Store page for HubSpot Sales. On this page, double-check you're in the right place by looking for the HubSpot name as the publisher, the extension's star rating, and recent updates. Taking a second to verify this helps you avoid installing anything unofficial. Now, on the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button in the top right. Chrome will show you a brief permissions prompt describing what the extension can access. This is standard for productivity tools that interact with your inbox and CRM. Read through it so you know what's being enabled. If you see the button say, Remove from Chrome, that means it's already installed, and you're all set. When the permissions prompt appears, confirm by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will download and install the extension in just a moment. You'll see a small confirmation in the top right corner of your browser when it's done. To keep it handy, click the puzzle piece icon near your address bar and pin the HubSpot extension so its orange sprocket icon is always visible. That's the full installation. From here, you may be prompted to sign into your HubSpot account the first time the extension activates. If you use Gmail in Chrome, open your inbox and you should notice HubSpot controls for tracking and logging emails to your CRM. If you don't see them immediately, refresh the page. Quick tips if something doesn't work. If the Add to Chrome button is grayed out, update Chrome to the latest version and try again. If a workplace policy blocks installs, check with your IT admin. And if you previously tried another email tracking tool, disabling or removing conflicting extensions can help. You've successfully installed the HubSpot Sales email extension by searching in Google, opening the official Chrome Web Store listing, clicking Add to Chrome, and confirming Add Extension. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized, trackable inbox.